Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we'll learn verbs we use for everyday things. Let's get started. He is training the vine to grow up the wall. The grass is swaying in the wind. The dog is gnawing on a bone. Grandma is patting the baby to sleep. She is biting her nails. He is raking the leaves. He is weeding the garden. I don't live glued to my phone all the time like you. He was tricked into believing the fake story. The children are swinging on the swings. The air is completely still. The leaves are shedding from the tree. Lightning is flashing. The sky is clearing up. He will adapt. He is leaning against the wall. You always have something to sulk about. Everybody's dropping by today. He is groping in the dark. The vegetable got burned to a crisp. He is dunking a biscuit in the tea. He is dunking a biscuit in the tea and eating it. He is rummaging through the drawer for the keys. She is drumming her fingers on the table. The car is stuck in the mud. She is tucking the corners of the sheet under the mattress. He is running his hands through his hair. Bees are buzzing over the flowers. Her foot has gone to sleep. He is flipping a coin. I am feeling suffocated in the crowd. He is blowing on the soup to cool it down. He crushed the bug with his shoe. He stepped in between. Close the door on your way out. Now time will drag on. You're spaced out. Practice these sentences every day and use them while speaking. See you in the next lesson.